Hello friends, I'm Parvez and this is our 18th video in Python for data science and our 4th video in Matplotlib. In the last video we have added grid to our uh, plotting window. In this video we are going to how you can add labels and also title to your plotting window. For this I'm going to make a new Python file, titles and labels. I'm going to import numpy as in p. Also I'm going to import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. After that I'm going to define an numpy array like this, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Now how you can give a label to your to this. For this you can simply write plt.x label. I call it this is our x values, and also you can give y label. This is our y label. Now if I run this plt, if I show this, first I need to plot and after that I need to show plt.plot our x. Okay, now if I run this, you can see that now I have this as our y label and this is our x label. We have label. Also you can give title to your window. For this you can simply in here write plt.title. This is simple line plot. Now if I run this, you can see that now we have a title in here. Thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel and also please like the videos.